Apple fans, get ready for what could be the biggest leap in MacBook history. The upcoming M6 MacBook Pro isn't just another processor upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of what a professional laptop can be. With a new OLED touchscreen, 2nm M6 chip, thinner chassis, no notch, and possibly built-in cellular connectivity, Apple is about to push the boundaries of design and performance once again. The company's current M5 lineup is impressive, but the M6 generation promises to merge power, beauty, and innovation in a way we've never seen before. So, if you've been wondering whether to upgrade now or wait for what's next, this video will give you every detail you need to make the right choice. Welcome to TechVerse, where we explore the future of technology one breakthrough at a time. Apple is gearing up for what might be the most significant redesign in the history of the MacBook Pro, with the M6 MacBook Pro expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, marking not just a new generation of Apple silicon, but a complete transformation in design, display, and functionality. Earlier this month, Apple refreshed the base 14-inch MacBook Pro with its M5 chip, and higher-end models with M5 Pro and M5 Max chips are coming in early 2026. But those will be the final updates to the current design before Apple ushers in a new era of MacBook Pro innovation. The M6 series is rumored to feature groundbreaking 2nm architecture, potentially using Wafer-Level Multi-Chip Module, WMCM, packaging, a massive leap from the current integrated fan-out info system. This advanced packaging method allows multiple chip components, like CPU, GPU, Neural Engine, and DRAM, to be tightly integrated within one package, drastically improving performance, efficiency, and AI capability. If true, the M6 chip could set a new benchmark for laptop computing, combining desktop-class power with unbelievable energy efficiency. According to leaks, Apple supplier TSMC will manufacture the M6 using its next-generation 2nm process, offering massive improvements in both speed and thermal management. But Apple isn't stopping at performance. It's reportedly planning to make the next MacBook Pro thinner and lighter than ever before. Sources including Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and display analyst Ross Young suggest Apple will introduce OLED displays for the first time in MacBook Pro history, enabling richer colors, deeper blacks, higher brightness, and improved battery life compared to current mini-LED panels. OLED technology could also allow Apple to slim down the MacBook's frame significantly, similar to how it redefined the iPad Pro in 2024, which it called its thinnest product ever. Internally, the new MacBooks are reportedly codenamed K114 and K116, designed with a lighter structure that still preserves Apple's famous durability. But what's really exciting is that Apple is finally planning to remove the notch that many users have complained about since 2021. According to reports from Omdia and corroborated by Gurman, the M6 MacBook Pro will feature a hole-punch camera design, leaving more uninterrupted screen space, much like the dynamic island evolution on the iPhone. This means the bezels will be slimmer, the display more immersive, and the user experience cleaner than ever before. It's still unclear if Apple will implement dynamic island functionality for notifications or just a visual design, but either way, it's a welcome improvement. Now, let's talk about something that could redefine productivity: the touchscreen MacBook Pro. Yes, after years of avoiding it, Apple is finally embracing touch input on its laptops. Renowned analysts Ming-Chi Kuo and Bloomberg confirmed that the M6 MacBook Pro will feature a touch-enabled OLED panel with on-cell touch technology, where the sensors are directly embedded into the display layer. This will make touch response more accurate and power-efficient without adding extra thickness. Apple has long studied how users interact with the iPad, and this move reflects its belief that in certain tasks, touch controls enhance both productivity and creativity. To support this, Apple has reportedly designed a reinforced hinge mechanism and stabilized display frame to prevent screen wobble or bounce when touched, ensuring a seamless and sturdy experience even during heavy interaction. Meanwhile, Apple is also exploring something we've all been waiting for: cellular connectivity in MacBooks. Yes, Gurman reports that Apple is testing its in-house C25G modem chip for future Macs, potentially debuting in the M6 generation. This would finally allow users to stay connected on the go without relying on Wi-Fi hotspots. The C2 modem, an upgrade over the C1 and C1X chips used in iPhones, supports both sub, 6 GHz and mmWave 5G, ensuring ultra-fast speeds with remarkable power efficiency. Imagine streaming, uploading, or attending virtual meetings directly from your MacBook anywhere, anytime. No tethering required. On the pricing front, reports suggest Apple will increase base prices due to the cost of OLED panels, the 2nm M6 chip, and new touch technology. Current high-end MacBook Pros start at $1,999 for the 14-inch and $2,499 for 16-inch. But the redesigned M6 versions could start several $100s higher, likely around $2,299 and $2,799 respectively. However, Apple might keep the base M6 14-inch model without OLED and touchscreen features to maintain a lower entry point. With this redesign, Apple aims to deliver the most premium laptop experience ever, blending futuristic hardware with unmatched build quality. The combination of OLED, touch, 2nm silicon, and 5G connectivity makes the M6 MacBook Pro not just a performance beast, but a symbol of the next era in mobile computing. And let's not forget, Apple is focusing on sustainability too. Expect the new models to use more recycled aluminum and rare earth elements, along with longer-lasting batteries thanks to OLED efficiency and M6 optimization. The timing of the release aligns with Apple's 20th anniversary of the MacBook Pro, making it the perfect moment for a major leap forward. Analysts predict a late 2026 unveiling, with shipments beginning in early 2027, as Apple aligns production capacity with its OLED display suppliers, primarily LG Display and Samsung. With all these changes, the M6 MacBook Pro could bridge the gap between Mac and iPad like never before, offering power, portability, and flexibility in one device. If Apple succeeds in integrating touch controls, OLED brilliance, and next-gen silicon seamlessly, it will redefine the standard for professional laptops across the industry. So, if you're thinking about upgrading, my advice is to hold off on the M5 and wait for the M6 generation, because it looks like Apple is saving its true innovation for this massive redesign. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or a power user, the M6 MacBook Pro will likely deliver everything you've been waiting for: a thinner, smarter, faster, and more connected Mac experience. Apple's future looks brighter than ever, and the M6 MacBook Pro might just be the laptop that defines the next decade of computing. So stay tuned, because as soon as we get more confirmed details, we'll break it all down right here on TechVerse, your daily destination for everything cutting edge in the world of technology.